Question number 8. A municipality's 10 councillors are elected by proportional representation. To do so, each voter chooses 10 candidates out of the 30. The table below represents a summary of the results obtained. How many seats were won by Party A? I wrote the information down here. We have Party A, candidate 1 gets 4,032 votes, and so on. I wrote all that information down. How many votes do we have in total? Then we're going to figure out, what percentage is that? These are the number of votes, and then we want to figure out the percentage. Well, I have to do that for Party A and then for Party B. So let's do that for each party. For Party B, that's for Party C. Let's see how many votes there are in total. Is equal to, here, let's just copy that formula over here. So it's adding up all of these, adding up all of those. So the total number of votes is going to be equal to that plus that plus that. So there are 62,110 votes. Let us see what percentage each party got. So I'm just going to make a little bit of room here, drag this over a bit. What percentage do we have out of the total votes? Party A got is equal to that amount out of the total. So they got 33.91 out of the total. There are 10 votes. So I'm going to multiply that by 10. There are 10 seats times 10. Let's find the floor of that is equal to floor of this. So that's 3 seats, and the remainder is that number. Take away that number. Let's do the same thing for each party. So I'm going to give a little bit of room between B and C. So we got this many votes out of that many, and times 10. So that fraction of the 10 seats gives us 2.88, the seats we get, and the remainder we get. So just copy those formulas. We have 2 seats with a remainder of 0.88. Let's do the same over here. That is going to be equal to this number out of the total number of votes times 10. That gives us 3 seats and a remainder of 0.7. So that's 3 plus 2 plus 3. That makes 8. So we have 2 more seats to give away. Party C has 0.7. Party B has 0.88 and Party A has 0.3. This is going to get 1 extra seat, so plus 1. So altogether, Party C has 3. Party C is going to get 1 extra, and so altogether they have 4 seats. We have 4, 3, and 3. Total seats for C is 4. A gets 3 seats, B gets 3 seats, and C gets 4 seats, and that adds up to 10. The seats won by a party are attributed to the candidates who receive the most votes for their party. Which candidates will have seats for the following parties, A, B, and C? We know that Party A is getting 3 seats, so we're going to divide those 3 seats up amongst these candidates. Back into our spreadsheet, we're going to figure out the fraction of the votes we have, which is 4,032 out of the votes that went for Party A, out of the 21,066. I'm just going to lock onto that with the dollar symbol, times the 3 seats. Let's fill that down. And let's use our floor function. So equals floor to round it down of that. Nobody got a seat on the first round. Now we want to figure out the remainder, which are these numbers. So I'm just going to copy those. I'm going to paste them here. To paste special, values only. And I'm going to put the candidate numbers beside them here. Then I'm going to sort according to these numbers. Data, sort range. We're going from Z to A and sort. 4 gets a seat, 8 gets a seat, and 1 gets a seat. So 4, 8, and 1. 4, 8, and 1. 4, 8, and 1, or 1, 4, and 8. For Party B, let's do the same thing. We have 3 seats equals the number of votes for each candidate divided by the number of seats gained by that party. I'm locking onto the G14. Fill that down. Let's look at the floor of that. Rounding down is equal to floor. And if I fill that down, we still have zeros. There's only remainders, so I'm going to just copy that. Edit, paste special, values only. I'm going to go get these numbers, put them beside our people, and then sort. Data, sort range from highest to lowest. And so it's 1, 9, and 7. 1, 7, and 9. Each get a seat, 1, 7, and 9. Let's look at Party C now. Party C, they have 4 votes, 4 seats, 345 out of the 2,316 votes times 4, because we're dividing the 4 seats up. Lock on to the M14, put a little dollar sign there between the M and the 14, and then fill that down. Now we do actually have whole numbers, and so the floor function will round these down. 1 seat is going to candidate number 2. Let's find the remainder. This is seats is gonna be that number. Take away that number. Place, paste value only. Put the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beside those numbers so we know which is which. We sort according to column O. So data, sort range from largest to smallest, and sort 8, 7, 4. So 1, 1, and 1. And this one also has 1. We have 2, 4, 7, and 8. Each get a seat. 2, 4, 7, and 8. And that's it for question number 8. Have a good day.